Hey, what's up YouTube? Apalak here. After a long time, I'll bring an awesome video for you. I'm using the sign to get Taurine application and also navigate to download section and type ipa.cjb.com. Then I'll navigate to search tab. Then you can follow them, and after I'll type the Taurine on the search bar. Taurine version 1.1.0, it is the latest version for the jailbreak. After download that, you can go to the resources tab, and also you need to import that downloaded IPA file. Press on that and import successful. Now navigate to resource, then Taurine and signature. Then you can signature with your certificate, then finish. Then again press installation and install. Now you can see the Taurine application is installed on your home screen. Here's the my Taurine. I had already jailbroken, but you can use this without jailbreak. And also this will prevent your revocation. Now navigate to theme, and you can set the custom theme and the custom background, custom color, and much more things. This customizable jailbreak tool that's a good improvement of the Taurine jailbreak tool. And also you can use the custom color and enable and disable the blur. I'll select orange for it, and you can see the my images are showing. And also you can choose the custom background. I will one of my favorite image from my gallery, and also you can do same. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon later.